Welcome to IFAStories, where ancient wisdom meets modern storytelling. Step into the sacred world of Ifa, the Yoruba spiritual system, where every tale carries the power of divination, destiny, and deep cultural insight. Join us as we unravel the mysteries of the Orishas, the divine forces guiding our paths, Orunmila, the Iron Moles, and many more. Each story is a bridge between the past and the present, weaving timeless lessons that inspire, enlighten, and transform. Embrace the wisdom, honor the tradition, and journey with us into the heart of Ifa. Subscribe now and let the stories guide you. To explore full Yoruba stories, Ifa teachings, and ancestral wisdom, visit our website, www.ifastories.com. Step into the sacred path for more resources and information. Where Ochun ate Adié for the first time. Patakin. On this path, the Adié hen didn't know where to lay her eggs, as she had no peace or fixed place, unable to find the right spot for her nest. The Adié went to the riverbank and saw the guama tree, where she started to nest and lay her eggs. But soon she became infested with lice. With the constant itching, she decided to leave. Along the road, she met Ogbe, and upon seeing each other, they both bowed in moforibel. The Adié shared her sorrows and misfortunes with Esau. Ezu told her, "When you see escoba amarga, bitter broom, rub yourself with it to remove all discomfort." Ebo misi. The Adié thanked Esu and continued on her way. Soon after, she encountered the escoba amarga and remembered what Esu had said. She followed his advice exactly, and from that moment, her luck began to change. But after some time, the Adié started feeling unwell again, just like before. Seeing her progress vanish, she began to discredit Esu and blame him. Around this time, Ochun was only eating akuko and aile, and as a result, she had no strength or development. She felt weak and ill, so she decided to visit Orunmila. When Runmila performed osode for her, he saw this Ifa and told her, "You will soon meet someone who will solve all the problems that afflict you." Days later, Ochun met Esu. He greeted her, and she returned the greeting. Knowing of the Adié's ingratitude, Esu thought to himself, "Let Ochun eat the Adié." Esu called to Ochun and said, "I'm going to show you something you've never eaten before." They continued walking until Esu spotted the Adié in the distance and said, "There is what I promised you." Then Ochun ate the Adié and otoku for unyen. From that moment forward, Ochun's health improved, along with every aspect of her life, thanks to Orunmila and Esu. As for the Adié, due to her ingratitude, she paid with her life for discrediting Esu. Note: in this story, we learn that ingratitude and discrediting a spiritual benefactor can result in loss of life.